Hello, boys and girls, how are you? I am very good. Let's sing with me. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm not so good. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? 1, 2, 3 little angels, 4, 5, 6 little angels, 7, 8, 9 little angels, 10 little angels, boy. Woo! 10, 9, 8 little angels, 7, 6, 5 little angels, 4, 3, 2 little angels, 1 little angels, boy. Woo! Hoje a gente vai continuar a conversa sobre os índios da floresta amazônica, the Amazon Rainforest Indians. Repeat, please. Indian, 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 Indian. Brazilian Indians, Brazilian Indians, Brazilian Indians. Índios brasileiros, Brazilian Indians. Os índios vivem em pequenos povoados, que eles chamam de tribos. Em inglês, tribes. 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 Tribos indígenas. Indians, tribes. Indians, tribes. A casa do índio se chama oca. Em inglês, hollow. 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 As casas dos índios, the hollows, são feitas com elementos da natureza, com folha, leaf, galho, branch, e barro, clay. Leaf, branch, and clay. Leaf, branch, and clay. They are made with leaf, branch, and clay. Elas são feitas de folha, galho e barro. Quando os índios ficam doentes, when the Indians get sick, eles tratam suas doenças com ervas. Ervas em inglês, herbs. 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 Bom, pessoal, essa foi a conversa com a professora Sara dessa semana. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. I miss you very, very much. See you soon.